Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Fitness for Life. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of sports nutrition for older adults. Now, you may be wondering, why should I care about sports nutrition? I'm past my prime. Well, let me tell you, age is just a number, and with the right nutrition and exercise, you can defy the odds and maintain your strength and health well into your golden years. Let's start by debunking a common myth, the idea that our strength and muscle mass inevitably decline as we age. Research has shown that older adults can make significant gains in strength and muscle mass, given the right approach. And guess what? Nutrition plays a crucial role in this process. So, let's explore the key components of sports nutrition for older adults. First and foremost, let's talk about protein. Think of it as the building block for your muscles. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, so it's essential to ensure an adequate intake. Include protein-rich foods in your diet, such as lean meats, fish, poultry, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. These foods provide essential amino acids, which are the foundation for muscle protein synthesis. Aim to spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day to maximize its effectiveness. Moving on to hydration, staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health and maintaining muscle function. Water is like the fountain of youth. It aids digestion, joint lubrication, and nutrient delivery to our muscles. Make it a habit to drink enough water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 cups or more. Remember, your hydration needs may vary based on factors like activity level and climate. Additionally, you can increase your hydration by consuming water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Not only will they hydrate you, but they also provide an added bonus of essential vitamins and minerals. Now, let's talk about healthy fats. Our bodies need them for optimal energy and nutrient absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, nuts, and seeds, are particularly beneficial for reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Incorporate sources of healthy fats into your diet, such as avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, and fatty fish like salmon. These foods not only fuel your body but also contribute to a healthy heart and brain. So, don't shy away from them. Lastly, let's shine a spotlight on micronutrients, the unsung heroes of nutrition. They play vital roles in maintaining a healthy body and immune system. As we age, our bodies may require higher amounts of certain vitamins and minerals. To ensure you're getting all the necessary micronutrients, make it a point to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Remember, the more colorful, the better. Fruits and vegetables provide essential antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support your overall well-being. So, there you have it, folks. Sports nutrition for older adults doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on protein, hydration, healthy fats, and micronutrients, you can defy the stereotypes and maintain your strength and health well into your golden years. Remember, age is just a number, and you have the power to stay active, vibrant, and full of life. Stay tuned for more valuable tips on Fitness for Life.